Hello guys, welcome to Ask Kayode. In this video I'm going to show you how VIDEOMINE MLM works. So in VIDEOMINE we have two packages. We have affiliate package and also we have MLM package. Here in this video is about MLM package. Now this is how it works. What we do here is to invite people to VIDEOMINE platform, and when somebody sign under you need to get to a particular level to complete a cycle, and then you're able to cash out 10,000 naira. If you can do it in a day, you cash out daily, and this is how the cycle works. The way it's been designed is that the first two people you will refer need to be frozen here, and that is because VIDEOMINE don't want you to have double accounts. And after that, anyone you now bring will be your direct link. Anyone anyone can be your direct link, but just note that two is going to be frozen there. Then the two that you brought into VIDEOMINE MLM, those two also need to bring two. When the other two also bring two, then you complete a cycle, and then you're able to cash out 10,000 naira. If you can do it in a day, you cash out that very day. That's how it works. Now if you look at the here, if you look at this account now, you can see the first two here. Then you can see it was this account able to refer to. Now under these two, you are able to refer three. So that may remain one person now to join this account for this account to complete one cycle. Look at the people that are this account referred below. You can see this account referred just 4. The first two was frozen, and the next two, anyone can be frozen, anyone can be added. You can see now that's exactly what we have here now. So VIDEOMINE also promised that by the time these accounts complete a cycle, and any of the downline, whenever any of your downline completes a cycle, you will get 1,005. And you can continue building your cycle from cycle 1 to cycle 2 to cycle 3 to cycle 4. I will show you the promises, the benefits that VIDEOMINE promise. That if you are able to get 7 cycles, you will win a standing fan and mini printing machine. If you're able to complete 14 cycles, you're able to win a full automated home theater. If you're able to complete 21 cycles, you're able to win techno phone. If you're able to complete 30 cycles, you win Samsung X7. If you're able to complete 50 cycles, you will win a full automated laptop. If you're able to complete 100 cycles, you will win iPhone 11 Pro Max. If you are able to complete 200 cycles, you will win a trip to Dubai. So these are the promises, and I've seen a lot of people enjoying these promises. If the things you can do to be able to add more money to yourself, I think is a very good idea. For example, a lot of people that join the affiliates, they are also cashing out. The base is helping them to what they generate able to fix on base. So if you are interested, there's a link below in this video, in the description below, that you can join. And what we do in our group is that we come together to build ourselves, because we rise by lifting others. We build ourselves up gradually. So if you are interested, join our group from the link below so that we can grow together. Thank you for your time. Bye.